Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Whenever you are watching this video or wherever you are watching this video, welcome back. Today we have seen some beautiful green candles for yesterday and today as well. And basically what I told from the beginning for the 25k region didn't play out as I thought it would, because I really and I still do think that the RSI and the MACD in the weekly time frame still needs to cool off a little bit. You can see right here that the RSI is right now at 68 at the previous high. The previous high before we saw that bearish divergence, it was 92. So it still has got some room left to grow, but I'll explain to you why I still believe that the 25k is still in play, and I will show you why. That's because of, if we look at the previous 2017 bull market, then you can see we had a significant drop, and this is the bear market period right here. But you can see that we bounced, Bitcoin price bounced in February of 2018, bounced a little up until this level, the 11.459k, and it got rejected from there. And then you saw this was the bear market bottom right here. And this is the COVID dump. So, but what I want to show you is that, let me grab the brush right here, is that this previous top right here, you can see the same top right here, and it got rejected. And you can see the same top here, and it got rejected a little, and then we broke through. So that's basically also the case right here, because if we I have to remove the brush. If we zoom in a little more right now, then you can see that the previous top, we dropped down all the way here to the bear market low of 15k, 15 and some change, 15 and 5. And right now you can see that we are seeing some upward momentum. The bullish thing is that we closed above this candle right here on the weekly as well. But there is still some significance between these levels, which marked the previous support for the bull market. Right here we went up, we went down, it got supported right here, we went up, it went down, it didn't even reach that right here, but it found support there as well, and it bounced up. And you can see right here that it was very much bought up in that week, but then selling pressure started to build up again. So that's basically the same scenario is that we have here. So we need to break this level on the weekly, and I'll show you what my gut instinct. It's not based on any data or something, but this could be something like a cup and handle pattern forming right here. So this is the cup, right? And the handle is somewhat like a bear flag right here. So this is the cup right here, and the handle, and this is a very bullish pattern, so which is good. But that also means that we were, in order to create this cup and handle, or the handle, if this is the cup and it's already formed, then the handle needs to come down towards the somewhat like 25k range. And the technical target for a cup and handle is the center line right here, and we take it to the neckline of the cup and handle. And so this will definitely take some time. That would take us to 45k. So if this cup and handle plays out, the handle still needs to be formed right here. So it does need some, yeah, downwards momentum forming here, and then eventually be bought up and go that way, not in a straight line as I drew right there, of course, but it still will need to see some rejection and retesting and somewhat like this, right? So the 25K region and the cup and handle is what I'm looking for right now, and I'm still keeping my buy orders open there. The other scenario is that we just shoot right through this because of the macroeconomics. You can see that the US government is trying to ban Bitcoin in any way and cryptocurrency, register it as securities. But yeah, the macro is also looking quite bullish. So I'm still leaving my buy orders in the 25K region, 25 and 24.2, and I'm gonna leave them there, and just hoping to see this cup and handle form, or at least let the RSI cool down a little more before we start the bull market. This could take months, right? So this handle pattern right here, yeah, that could take all the way to August or something like that. So yeah, that's definitely what a possibility is for Bitcoin on the weekly chart. If we smash right through, then I would like to see that we go through this level and retest it as support. And if the support is held right there, then I do believe that bull market territory is good. And why do I think so? That's because we found support for the bull market right here. We found support for the bull market right here. Here it didn't go that low, but it got bought up already. Here you can see this candle got bought up also. So this supported, all supported by massive volume on the for the bulls, and they eventually the bulls lost, and then it dropped further. Of course, we all know that, but yeah, the bullish scenario is that we break through, retest it, and go up there. The yeah, even more bullish scenario in my book is that we see the 25K, form that handle of the cup and handle pattern, and then shoot up from there. That's what I'm actually hoping for, because I want to buy my Bitcoin as cheap as possible, and I've got still got left some money for yeah, for buying these dips, of course. So time will tell. Time will tell if that is the case. The cup and handle pattern is a very interesting pattern, which is a very bullish pattern as well. And in order for that to yeah, evolve in this pattern, then yeah, that will be very good, because the RSI would be cooled off by then, somewhere here in August, or no, September is too far away. This is too far away. Somewhere in July, the cup could the handle could have formed, and then the RSI would have definitely been cooled off until the below the standard line here for in the 40 region. So yeah, that's it for the longer term. I just wanted to stick for the longer term right now, because yeah, well, let's look at the daily, because yeah, you can see momentum is building up right here, which is a good thing for the daily momentum, of course. And the only thing somewhat worrisome, is that the RSI is not forming a higher high, where the price is forming a higher high. So that's not a bearish divergence yet, but it could be one in the making, which also supports that cup and handle idea of me. Yeah, time will tell. 4-hour charts. Let me look at the MACD right here. 4-hour is massively oversold, so probably is the 1 hour is also in the 80 range. So Yeah, very hard times right now. I definitely am not buying at this level. I would consider buying at these high levels, but only if the scenario plays out like I sketched for you. That was the bullish scenario. If we break up, retest this as support, and then this 30.6k would be a buy place for me, and then we can slowly start to move up again from there. So yeah, let's keep our eyes on the charts. If you're on the Discord, then I'll be more informative there, because I'm more frequent on the Discord channel and more in a timely manner. But this is yeah, it was a green day, in a couple of green days, which is yeah, good, of course. I'm not complaining. Might even, if we look at the bottom, if you bought at the bottom right here, then we cannot see it. Then it's more than 90. It's 90 what? 90. This is 103. This is not correct. Now let me do sorry, let me do that again. Let me drop the charts a little, because so if you bought at the bottom and at the current price right now, you're up 93%. So I might consider even selling some Bitcoin I bought in profit, but yeah, not necessarily doing that right now. And that's mainly also because I wanted to show you this, that the Bitcoin dominance is also still growing, which also means that yeah, we are still not in an alt season by far. We still need altcoins are still bleeding against Bitcoin, and I will definitely tell you when I will jump into altcoins more heavily. But right now I'm sticking to Bitcoin, and yeah, that is basically it for now. The cup and handle is what we are looking for as a potential pattern on the weekly time frame, which would make me feel very bullish. The more bullish potential is that we don't see the 25k again. We break above the 30.6k and retest it as support, and then go upwards from there. So if you have any questions or remarks on my technical analysis, please do so in the comment section below. I would definitely appreciate it if we could get a like for the video every once in a while. Just give me sort of like a pat on the back that you appreciate what I'm doing for you, because yeah, likes and views are low, and that's okay. But yeah, if 14 of you are, or 13 or 12 or whatever of you are watching these videos, then the like to or view to like ratio isn't that good as well. So, but I'm not going to yeah, ask for likes, but yeah, I don't know, it would be appreciated, of course. So that's it for today. Thanks so much. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.